planet's most extreme altitudes. And every year, thousands of people perish as a result. Yet, there is one group of people who thrive at these altitudes: Tibetan monks. High altitudes are anywhere at or beyond 2,500 meters above sea level. Here, both atmospheric pressure and oxygen levels fall to a staggering 60% of that at sea level. In such an extreme environment, is it any wonder that over 90% of lowlanders experience some form of altitude sickness? The classic symptoms of altitude sickness include headache, nausea, loss of energy, and sleeplessness. After a few days, however, these symptoms typically subside as the body adjusts to the new atmosphere. Breathing rate increases, the heart beats faster, and more red blood cells are produced, all so sufficient oxygen can be supplied around the body once again. Yet, it is these very physiological adaptations that present the danger. With these changes, the blood becomes thicker, and blood pressure dramatically increases, greatly increasing the risk of blood clotting and swelling. Those over 65 or with cardiovascular issues are especially at risk. Without prompt diagnosis and treatment, these complications are almost always fatal. So what makes the Tibetan monk so special? The secret lies in their genes, the result of thousands of years of good old-fashioned evolution. At an average elevation of over 4,000 meters, the Tibetan plateau has been inhabited for over 30,000 years, allowing natives to evolve sustainable mechanisms for maintaining normal blood oxygen levels despite the low pressure. If we can better understand just how the monks do this, we may better maintain the health of the increasing number of travelers to high altitudes each year, and possibly prevent thousands of altitude-related deaths. Furthermore, this research may unlock more effective treatments for deadly blood oxygen-related illnesses with which millions of people are diagnosed every year. While recent research has yielded some insight into Tibetan physiology, much remains to be explored if we hope to one day harness these for medications and treatments for public health. Until then, Tibetan monks will continue to tower over us from their high-altitude home.